Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, I will show you beautiful button craft ideas. So I hope you will enjoy my videos. So let's start today video, friends. First idea is friends. Button flower art. Take a paper, canvas, draw simple flower stems, now stick colorful buttons. As flower, use small and big buttons. Let it dry. A cute flower art is very button photo frame. And reverse. Next idea is reverse. And take a plain frame, apply glue on the border, stick button in different color, fill on the space nicely. Let it dry. Your frame looks so beautiful. And then reverse. Next idea is frames. Button necklace. Today we make a button necklace. Take a thread or string. Take button one by one. Mix color and size. Tie the ends so easy and stylish. And reverse. Buttons are decoration. Take a glass or apply glue inside. Stick button all around. You can make pattern, light it right. It's look colorful and pretty. And reverse. Next idea is reverse. I hope you will enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. So viewers, so happy. See